Earn $500 just by watching YouTube videos. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you a method with which you can earn hundreds and thousands of dollars just by simply watching YouTube videos. And the great thing about this is that you don't even have to be watching them. So in this video, I'm going to show you a method that can help you earn hundreds and thousands of dollars. So make sure you stick until the end of the video, because I will be giving you another secret tip that can take your earnings to the next level. So having said that, let's begin with the video. So first things first, as you can see, I'm on YouTube and I'm in the gaming section over here, and this is what we're trying to do here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for popular games, right? And we're gonna search for some videos on them. So if I come over to Google, all right, if I just simply search for popular games, then these games pop up. So we have Minecraft, we have GTA, Red Dead Redemption, Fortnite, Apex Legends, and many more. But as you can see, I would say that Minecraft and Fortnite are really popular, and we can find this out if we just come over to Google Trends. Okay, so as you can see, right, this is Google Trends. This is a tool where we can see how much people have been searching for and in which country what has been searching for. So over here, as you can see, this is the world, and World Cup has been searched all over the region, you know. So in the search bar, let's just search for Minecraft. We search for this topic. We can see that in America, only in California is that really popular, and over here we can see interest over time, and we can see it picked up the highest interest in October of 2021, and since then it's been going down. So it's really not that popular at the moment, but it still is. And another tool that we can use is called Google Keyword Planner. So this is the keyword right here, keyword planning tool. It can help you find different keywords as well. But for this video, you don't even really need these. I'm just, showing you the basics of it. For this video, I'm just gonna use SEMrush. It's also a keyword planning tool, and it's really good. And remember guys, you don't have to use these tools. You just have to, make money. You just have to watch this video and then you can start making money. So I'm just basically showing you the proof of it as well. So if I search for, let's say, Fortnite in US, if I search for the Fortnite, then over here you can see 2.7 million search results, and it's really good. We get Fortnite item shop, it's all really good. And if we search for, let's say, Minecraft, as you can see, we also get 2.7 billion volumes. This is basically the algorithm that shows you the searches and stuff like that. It's really cool. So as you can see, these games are really popular right now. They're even shown over here at the gaming tab of YouTube. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna find some popular videos about for these games. So let's say Minecraft, right? I would say that Minecraft has a bigger community than other games. So if we come over here in Minecraft, we can see a bunch of different things. So if I just simply search for Minecraft videos, then we have a bunch of different videos. What we're going to do is we're going to click on filters, and we're going to go to Creative Commons. Now these are the videos that everyone can use. These videos don't have copyright strikes on them, so you can go ahead and use these videos. So let's just find a video that is really good as well, and that's fun and entertaining. So this video is 30 minutes long. I don't think people would watch that. This video is 11 minutes long, but it's not really a good title. I don't think people would watch that. And then we have how to get custom skins on Minecraft Xbox. So this is something that people would want. Why wouldn't people want, skins? So we'll just simply click on this video. We're not gonna do anything else, and we're just simply going to copy the link. And once we've copied the link, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to another free tool that we could use that is basically going to earn us money. So we're going to go over to shrinkme.io. This is a pretty amazing tool. What we're here to do is we're here to create shortened links. So these shortened links are going to earn us money. So we're just going to create an account, make a shortened link, and earn money. So that's how it basically does. So you just have to click on register and just simply enter in your username, your email address, password, and stuff like that, and just simply click on sign in and click on register, and you're good to go. Now I've already created an account, so I'm just simply gonna go ahead and log in, and boom, here we go. So this is my dashboard, so we are good to go. And once you have logged in, you will see all of the things in front of you. You will have your views, your earnings and stuff like that over here, and on the left side you will have a bunch of different tools that you can use. So since we already have our video and our link, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the top option over here called shorten links. We're going to click on shorten links, and we're simply going to paste our link over here, and we're going to click on shorten, and that's it. We have our shortened link, and boom. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this link, and we're gonna send this link out to a bunch of different forums that have these communities, and we can basically, you know, earn money from them once they do it. So how do we basically earn money? What this will do is whenever someone clicks on our shortened link, they will be shown a small ad for like a couple of seconds, and then they will be taken over to the main link, which is going to be this video. So when they are shown ads, shrinkme.io will give you money for it. So over here, if I come over here into the payout rates, we will see that Greenland there is $22, Ireland it's $16, and Belgium it's $7, and the United States it's $7 as well. So earned per 1,000 views. So whenever someone reaches 1,000 views, shrinkme.io is going to give them $22, which is pretty amazing. So that's how we basically do it, and you get $1 sign up bonus, and the minimum payout is $5 as well. So it's pretty good. So when we submit this link into popular forums such as Reddit, and what we're going to do is we're going to create an account, and once you've created an account, you can go ahead and post stuff as well. So over here, let me just search for Minecraft. So in Minecraft, as you can see, we have a bunch of different people. So we have Minecraft, which has 6 million members, and we have Minecraft clubs, that's also 707,000. Then we have Minecraft seeds and stuff like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to these, you know, communities, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a post and post our link, and we're going to call it this title as well: how to get custom skins on Minecraft in Xbox. So people will click on them, they will see the small little ad, and then they will be taken over to the website, to the video, and then we will earn money. And that's how it basically does it. And you can do this with other stuff as well. You can find like hundreds and thousands of video games on YouTube. You can do your own research if you want to. You can copy them, you can make shortened links, and there is no limit to making any shortened links. And then you could copy those links and paste them in different forms such as Facebook or Minecraft, or you know, Cura, or even Instagram if you want to. So it's pretty cool, it's really fun, and it's really easy. You don't need any skill or experience, you just have to work smart. Now, I understand that you can make a few $100s with this method, but the thing is that you are constantly going to trade time for money in this process. And let's be honest, it's not going to make you filthy rich. But if you're someone who wants to earn, let's say, thousands of dollars every single day, then be sure to check out the link in the description below. It's going to be the first link at the top. Just simply click on it, and you will be able to know exactly how you can earn over $1,000 per day with no skill required, no experience necessary. And this is something that you can go ahead and start right now, right this moment, today. Okay, so make sure to click the first link in the description below. And having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. Having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.